Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Once again, Mr. Speaker, sir, the reason I have asked a star question relating to proposed road widening alongside Words Lake and proposed parking lot at Pan Nonglite Park, because it seems the government of the day is so quick and ready to compromise the existing natural environment and beauty of Shillong landscape just to tackle traffic congestion. Yes, traffic congestion is indeed a nightmare for Shillong, but I believe the solution is not in having to destroy the beauty of natural landscape. So my supplementary question, Mr. Speaker, sir, to the concerned minister, whether the government is looking at alternative measures to provide solution to the growing traffic congestion in the heart of the city, especially around Police Bazaar and Yodo area, which falls under my constituency.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I understand that the concern of the honourable member, and the question is very clear, and I have replied very clearly also. Yes, I know we need developments, considering the facts that no compromise on environmental issues. Every project that has been prepared, whether under PUD or tourism or urban, please keep in mind there is certain guideline laid by the Forest Department, especially if it goes to the Forest Department land. And number two, about the traffic congestion, there is a committee which is headed by the Chief Secretary, which is in line with other different departments. And the committees, the blueprints already there. Hopefully that is why we have to come such a comprehensive approach like widening of road. Does not mean when widen the road, to just cut random the tree and to destroy all the beauty. That is not the meaning. I know the concern. We are all the same concern, I think. But please allow the government to work. So I think even yesterday the Deputy Minister replied very clearly. Yes, we cannot compromise on environment. That is very clear. So as urban minister, I think it's my responsibility also to see sometime if there is a ways and mean, if there is a possibility to widen some portion. You know very well now, the traffic problem in the state is very, very crucial. Now only 17 km per hour as per the study, which it should be 35 km per hour in the road. So therefore, I request the honourable member, please bear with us. We will take care of all this into consideration. Even I said example in the main reply. Recently, we construct a parking lot just opposite Nigrim. Just go and have a look at it. There is not even a single tree cut by the department, which has been departmentally done, which we can accommodate around 100-150 parking. So beautiful made. So we are trying to follow the same model in order to destroy all the remotes. So this is, I want to clarify regarding to your question.
So while putting this question, it's not that we as a party, we are rigid to any development. We are not against any development, but let me remind, in the name of development, our right has been snatched away. That through experiences. Okay, let me put a second supplementary. In the past, we have heard that talk about a proposal for a flyover from DC office to Motphran, with an alignment that will not touch Police Bazaar. May I know from the minister in charge what is the status of this proposed flyover?
I would like to avoid the honourable member. The question, the principal question is related only with Words Lake and Pan Nonglite. I'm not going to reply, which is not related with my principal question.
It's impossible on that.